In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trust badges in Shopify product pages. Trust badges are a simple but powerful way to reassure your customers that it's safe and easy to buy from your store. They can highlight things like secure checkout, fast shipping, or easy returns, and they usually sit close to your add to cart or buy now buttons. Let's walk through how to add them using the Shopify theme editor. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Online Store. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click Edit Theme or Customize, depending on the label you see. This opens the theme editor where we'll make all of our changes. At the top of the theme editor, you'll find the page selector, which is usually set to Home Page by default. Click that drop-down. From the list of page types, choose Products, and then select Default Product. This tells Shopify that we want to edit the layout for your standard product page. Now you're in the product page editor. On the left panel, look for the section that contains your product information. This is usually where your title, price, and buy buttons are located. To expand this section, click the small arrow icon next to its name. You'll now see the individual blocks that make up the product information section. Click Add Block, then scroll through the options until you find Icon with Text and select it. This block is what we'll use to create your trust badges. Once it's added, you can drag and drop it within the list on the left to position it exactly where you want it, ideally near the Add to Cart or Buy buttons, so it's clearly visible. Click on your new Icon with Text block to edit it. By default, it usually includes 3 icon and text pairings. If you want fewer, simply clear the heading text for any pairing you don't need, and watch the live preview on the right update. Now customize the remaining icons. For example, choose a heart icon and label it bestseller. For a second pairing, pick a return style icon and type easy returns. For a third, choose a truck icon and type fast shipping. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview to ensure everything looks balanced. You can also choose other icons, such as a lock with the heading Secure Checkout, or use the image option within a pairing to upload payment logos or your own custom trust badge graphics. Once you're happy with how your trust badges look and where they're placed, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Your product pages will now display your new trust badges, helping build confidence and encouraging more customers to complete their purchase.